put false lashes on easily. It does take practice. It took me a while to figure out what tips and tricks help to put them on. But if you're a beginner, you're better off starting with lashes that are easy to apply with invisible band. So I will be showing you how to put Ardell lashes on. They're Ardell Wispies. They're really affordable. I paid $11 for 5 pairs and they can last you a long time. So first thing you need to know, which I didn't know when I started, you have to trim them down. You have to trim them down to your eye shape, your size. So you set it on your eye. I'm gonna use a mirror here. You set it on your eye, and so you leave a little bit space here, like a ½ centimeter, and then when it's all set, it's just laying there without any glue, just so you know how much you can cut. You see that this part is hanging off, so I can cut a little bit off and I'll show you. Wow, they look like they're already glued on there, but they're not, so I'm gonna cut a little piece. So always from the outer corner, I need to trim them a little bit, so use your scissors to trim them. So now I'm gonna place them again, and looks like they're a nice length. They look perfect. So now that we know how long they have to be, they're ready to be glued on. And I'm just gonna kind of put them together so they can be the same length. So now that I have my eyelashes cut, and I already did my eyeshadow, so if you're not doing any eyeshadow, just make sure, I like, especially if you're using a white glue that might show up, so I like to apply an eyeliner. Okay, I like to do that because the lashes are not as visible if you're using white glue, but if you're using dark glue, and this is Kiss Lash Couture Dark Blue, you don't have to do that. You don't have to use the eyeliner because they're not going to be visible. So I'm going to be using white glue so you can see that. We're going to put a little bit of glue on them, and I'm going to show you. So the best glue, especially for beginners, is the one with the tip like this, so you can easily apply it on your band. I'm gonna just put the glue on there. I'll show you. Don't put too much, just enough. I'll show you what that is. So like that. It doesn't look like it's too much dripping over. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one. Okay, so now I'm gonna let that glue sit for at least 45 seconds. So you're gonna let it dry out so it's tacky but not totally dry. And I'll show you, I tend to either place it with my finger or with the lash applier like this, or you can do it with the tweezers. Most of the time I do with my tweezers because it makes it so much easier, but you can choose which one works best for you, or some people do it with their fingers. So I like to do more dramatic looks now that I know how to apply eyelashes. So more dramatic looks is like this. These are Kiss lashes. They're amazing. They're my favorite. And these are Teddy lashes. I'm gonna bring them closer so you can see them. So these ones have a thicker band and they're harder to bend and harder to apply. So do you like my little bun? This has been like my new thing, doing that. So I think it's cute, and these hoop earrings are so big but I love them. Anyways, so I think our lashes are gonna be done. It's probably been more than 45 seconds, but so anywhere 45 seconds to a minute. So here we go. I'm gonna grab them with my tweezers because that's how I like to do them. And I am gonna just lay them, so you're gonna go from the top. You're gonna lay them, so remember you need to leave some space from your inner corner. Oops, so it's not going on there easily because I am using this mirror and explaining that to you. So I'm just gonna try to show you here. So they are on. You have some time to fix them if it's not on right. So what I like to do, I like to squeeze them with my hand together and just let it dry. See how much better this makeup looks with these wispies. So I'm gonna grab the other one and I'm gonna do the other one. And here we go. From top, and you just kind of lay it there. I hate when it gets stuck. So when it gets stuck, you just kind of use your finger and try again. Maybe I should show you guys how you can do it with a finger too. So here we go. It's kind of hard to hold the mirror. So if you messed up, you can still fix it. You have some time to fix this. So I kind of put them together with my fingers, and this inner corner, try not to mess with it too much when you lay it down. You know, if you messed up too much, you can fix it, but it looks good. I like it. I still struggle with putting them on, as you can tell. So you can either do it with a pair of tweezers or fingers, and that's it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna let them dry, and I'm gonna curl my lashes, and that's it. When you're done with them, to take care of them, you're supposed to put them back in the box, but mine, they lay around here and there. Sometimes I'm responsible and I put them back in because they last longer if you take care of them. So if you look at the band here, you can grab your tweezers and you can clean it with your tweezers. You can clean the glue off. See, you can pick it out and clean them. So that's how you take care of them. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.